The key can automatically identify high-risk cases and mark them for compliance checking if they meet certain criteria that are set up within the setup area and the compliance submenu. In particular, looking at the risk types and the mortgage scoring tab. The key operates by assigning a product a compliance score. If that score exceeds the threshold, which is the number marked here, then it is marked for checking by a compliance officer. As you can see in this case, any of these criteria that are met by the product will exceed that score, and so it will be marked for checking. That is the most common usage of the compliance checking criteria, although it does allow for a more flexible approach if that's more appropriate. These examples are simple yes/no cases associated with a product, and hence are turned on or off through the use of a checkbox. If we look at the mortgage scoring tab, we can see in this example loan to value, although case commission and loan amount is also available, that we can have bandings. In this case, 75 to 85% is given a score of 10, and 85 to 150% is given a score of 20. Of course, in this example, both will still be marked for compliance checking. However, it does allow us to keep a running record of the compliance risk associated with products sold for future management information. The cases are checked when they reach application. That is when the score of the product is checked compared to the threshold shown here. It is possible to check that at different times, such as completion or offered status, although we generally default to the application status. Similarly, when a case is marked for checking, we can indicate that a task is to be sent to the compliance officer. We can include insurance products in these random checks, and also we can add a start date for the compliance checks.